unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Airplane mode cuts off cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connections, limiting spy apps that need internet. But some spy apps can still work offline, recording data to send later. So, airplane mode helps reduce risk, but it can't fully block all spy apps or guarantee your privacy.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.